Give your Audi an even more exclusive and polished look with window tint that meets the same high standards of performance. The professionals at Audi Minneapolis have chosen XPEL Prime XR for its superior technology and longevity. Unlike traditional metallic films, our nanoceramic particle technology doesn't interfere with cell phone, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth signals. Whether you choose light or dark tint, they all reject 84% of the sun's infrared radiation. You'll stay cool at whatever level of visibility you prefer. Every film also blocks 99% of UV, protecting your interior, your skin, and your family from sun damage. Each piece of window tint is cut to factory measurements and then precisely installed by our in-house technicians. They have the skills and experience to take on the most challenging tint applications, delivering factory-level perfection. A lifetime warranty covers all the issues you may have come to expect from inferior window tint at small aftermarket shops. Talk to your Audi specialist to design the window tint package that best fits you and the exceptional look of your Audi.